Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Stéphane Corgié, the second one, the second Stéphane this afternoon, and I'm the CEO of Zymtronix. And I'm very stoked to be among, all the biotech pioneers this afternoon. The industry has been innovating on cell-based technology and breakthroughs in fermentation, for decades. But today, we can take it a step further by unlocking the power of biology outside of the cell. Think about it. In a cell, you have about 1,000 of enzymes working together at any given moment for the cell to grow, to live, to reproduce, and ultimately produce some ingredients that has been engineered, for the fermentation. However, there is only a handful of enzymes that are truly used for the production of those targets. And all of these enzymes need to work together under the cell constraints. So why not removing the constraints of the cellular biology and focus the power on enzymes themselves? So we're doing this through the immobilization of multiple enzymes. And we've been working with Ginkgo. We have designed new rules for the design of those enzymes that we can assemble for efficient biomanufacturing. We're really thinking precision by design by integrating downstream and upstream and downstream processing together at the onset of the ideas. And we are building on SynBio, because those enzymes need to be produced by fermentation. We think in terms of cores, getting those enzymes together as a set of systems for production. And let me introduce you today with our first core. We call it the lactocore. The lactocore is the set of processes, routes, and enzymes for the conversion of plant sugars into lactose. It bypasses the entire dairy chain where lactose is issued from, and it's a highly decarbonized, hypoallergenic version of lactose as an ingredient, and we are focusing on the early nutrition market. But by building on this lactocore, we have access to all the ingredients that are present in human milk. And those are carbohydrates, known as human milk oligosaccharides, that have a lot of health benefits. They actually maintain the biological balance between the baby and its environment. And if this balance is broken, that can have dire consequences. There's a disease called necrotizing enterocolitis, which is an acute inflammation of the guts with high mortality rate and also long-term consequences for the infant that can be prevented with some specific HMOs called DS90, which is so rare right now that is not even being able, nobody has enough of it for production. So we have developed a new set of enzymes for the production of DLSNT in its pure form So animal-free lactose and DSNT are two examples of what our cores and our product pipeline can do. Cells can do a lot, but sometimes cell-based process can struggle. With cell-free biomanufacturing, you can be a process engineer first and a bioengineer second. And that really allows us to unlock new molecules from simple precursors, optimize cost of production for new commercial opportunities, and enhance the power of biology for rapid and sustainable impact. I'm looking forward for more discussion today, and also, if you have any questions, reach out to the Zymtronix team in the room today, and or reach out online to learn more about cell-free biomanufacturing. Thank you so much.